Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a lost and found box from NoMakeNoLife. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so I did bring like 1 or 2 boxes from NoMakeNoLife on my channel last year, and I really did enjoy it. They did reach out to me earlier this year and asked if I wanted to show their box to you guys again, and of course I said yes because I liked the box the first time. So they sent it to me. This is March's box. You heard that right, March's box. Now, when I started tracking it, it kind of lost tracking. Like there was no tracking, no nothing. The company asked me if I could check with my post office. They couldn't find anything because it seemed like it was not really in the US yet. I know with everything going on, that was like just the start of this whole new world situation going on. So a lot of things were being held that were coming internationally and overseas. So I think this kind of like sat off to the side and got forgot about for a while. I mean, it was nothing to the company. It's just with shipping in general with everything that's going on right now. So it finally made its way like 4 months later. So I want to show you guys at least what was in March's box because they did send this to me to show you guys. So I'm going to show you what was in that box. Obviously this one is no longer available, but their boxes are always so cute. So you can definitely check them out. I will link them all down below and you can check them out. So let's go ahead and see what's in March's box. Let's see. I'm glad it at least did come and it wasn't a lost cause, you know, but it says Japanese and Korean beauty box. So inside their boxes, it's always Japanese and Korean skincare. I think there might be some makeup too. Since it has been a while, let me let you guys know now. This box is $35 per month. If you do 3 months, it brings it to $33 and a half, I almost said $33.50. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $32. And if you go to the whole 12 months, it brings it to $31.50. The box ships free to the United States and will arrive within 2 to 4 weeks after you place the order. You get 8 to 9 full-size Korean and Japanese beauty and skincare products delivered monthly from 6 different categories: makeup, skincare, bath and body, hair care, tools and accessories, and masks. With cute, fun, and unique makeup products you can use daily or for special occasions. So let's go ahead and see. When you first open it up, there's that. Something already wants to come out. And there's the little pamphlet that they have. Hold on. And that's what the presentation looks like on the inside. Something already looks really cute. So this says volume 38, March 2020, and we're in August. So it says Beauty and the Beasts. And that looks like the theme from March. Super cute. And then inside it does go over the different items inside this magazine as well. So let's go ahead and see what we have. So I'm just gonna go in order because these are actually numbered 1 through, what do we have? How many products do we have today? 1 through 8. So let's grab number 1. It is a animal hot eye mask. And I really do like the heating masks. It heats up more than I was anticipating my first time using them, but it like clears my head. Like when I have a headache or a migraine, it kind of breaks it up. The heat actually helps. So I like to save these on my nights when I'm down with a migraine because they do actually help me out. And it looks like I'm gonna look like a bear with glasses or something with a cute little design. That's super cute. Relax after a long day with this Insta-worthy animal hot eye mask. It warms up your eyes at 40 degrees. Try wearing it while doing chores or before going to bed. In your box comes 1 black cat, a polar bear, or a panda. So maybe that's the polar bear. I'm not sure, but it's super cute. And it says use the mask immediately after opening. It stays hot for about 15 seconds. And it says a hot eye mask with a relaxing lavender scent. Oh, lavender. You know I love lavender. I'm being facetious. And I snorted. So there you go. You're welcome. So number 2, that is a aqua animal sheet mask. So let me grab that. So it'd be right here. This says brightening mask pack, and this is a panda. And it's gonna be super cute if it's actually shaped like a panda. I don't know if the actual mask itself is, but I love face masks in general. It looks like this one would have came in the panda the, looks like a lion and maybe a cat. So it actually shows all the different products right here of the different variations. So you can kind of see which ones, how cute. So I'm not sure, I think I might have had the polar bear for the heating eye mask. So number 3, it says Country and Stem Oil Block Gel. So that would be this oil block powder gel. And that's what that looks like. It says fight oily skin with this oil block gel from popular Japanese brand Country and Stream. The gel effectively absorbs sebum, making your T-zone look matte, smooth, and flawless. Tip: apply it after skincare and before foundation. Key point: this may be your holy grail product if you're struggling with an oily T-zone. That is really neat. So you have that you can definitely try out before putting on your foundation to mattify your oily T-zone. So number 4, we have Cat's Eye Mascara, and that is right here. So we have a Super Lash Mascara Cat's Eye. Bring your cat eye look to a whole new level with this Cat Eye Mascara. In your box comes one of 3 different variations: Perfect Volume, Power Curling, or Super Lash. And I got Super Lash. Use this mascara in combination with your winged eyeliner to create the perfect cat eye look. Let's take a look at the wand. So that's what the packaging looks like. And then it's a tight screw. And that is what the wand looks like right there. So we have a mascara. See, I like that you get beauty and skincare. So it's not just skincare. So we have that. Number 5, Doo-Doo Cat Blush. It says Doo-Doo, D-O-D-O, Cat Blush. Cute and versatile. This Japanese blush has been decorated with a cat and exists of 3 different shades each. In your box comes one of 4 variations, including pink and orange shades. Doo-Doo Brown. You get Doo-Doo Cat Blush. That's the name of the company. D-O-D-O. Just sounds a little funny. Use one shade or mix them depending on the look you're creating. So let's go ahead and see. It says Cheek Cat. And it looks like there's already a little puffer in there. Little puffer. Powder puff is what I'm trying to say, I guess. Let's get this opened. Okay, so it says Cheek Cat CC 35. So when you open it up, it has this cute little puff. It has a little purple, is it purple? Yeah, it looks like a little purple bow on it. And this actually has 3 different colors. How cute. There's a cat design with a darker pink, and then a lighter pink, and then like a mauve. So you have 3 different colors in there. So that's what it's saying. You can either use one color or you can mix the color. So that is really neat. So you have a blush. Now we have Cute Cat Rose Bath Bomb. So that is this right here. So we have a bath bomb. Meow. Try this cat bath bomb with a lovely rose scent. Rose. In your box comes a black, blue, yellow, or special pink cat. So I don't know which one I have, but I got one of them. The key point: share in your community forum which bath bomb you get. Okay, so I guess you don't know until you open it. So it's one of those 4 different colors. It says if you get the rare pink cat bath bomb, you're super lucky. So we'll have to see. You know what? Let's see what color I have. I can use it as a foot soak. Huh? Is this pink then? Because it says black, blue, yellow, or pink. So I got pink. So I'm a lucky one. I guess since I took 4 months to get here, I am lucky because it still got here. So that is really neat. I got the lucky one. Number 7 says Nose Clear Black Head 3-Step Kit. And you guys know I love when they have the different steps, 1, 2, 3. And this one is a blackhead 3-step kit. So the first step is like the little strip you put on your nose. And then I'm not sure what the other ones are, but there's 3, 1, 2, and 3. And then on the back, it tells you how to put the first one on, and then there's that. So this says, want to read more about how to use the 3-step kit? Check out page 9. So there's another page in here that definitely, yes, it goes through the whole entire page on how to use it step by step if you have any questions. And it says the key point is minimize pores and remove blackheads with this 3-step kit. So now number 8, the last and final item, the cutest thing that I was seeing when I first opened the box, is an animal headband. Now this would have been a variation as well. And it looks like you could have had, your box comes with a cat, a rabbit, or a bear version. Use it every morning to keep your hair out of your face when washing your face, applying skincare, or makeup. Take a selfie wearing that cute headband and upload it to our social media with the hashtag NoMakeNoLife for a chance to be featured in our next booklet. That would have been cute. Key point, soft animal headband to keep your hair out of your face. And there's actually like metal in the ears to keep them perked up. That is super cute. Let me get this out. I don't think I've really seen anything like this, especially with like the metal in there to keep them, oh, whoa, wait, this is different. So I guess you put it around your head and twist them on the top? That is definitely different. Let's see. Let me see if I can figure this out. Trying to get it around my neck. Made it more complicated than I needed to, but you know, that's what I do. So you just do this and you twist it. What? That is really cute. That is definitely different because sometimes I'll get those headbands and they're a little tight for my big dome. This one is adjustable and it's not tight at all and it's just pushing away. I like that. I like the fact that it's not a complete headband. I like how this works because it feels so much better on my head than any of those other ones that I've received. So I really like that. So there's that, you guys. So that is everything that came in the March box. Again, this one is not available anymore, but I still wanted to show you another variation because their boxes are always so cute. So we have this headband, super cute. And I like the fact how it around your head. We have the 3-step nose mask. We have the doo-doo blush. That's just a weird name, I'm sorry. I'm thinking, of course, my head's going somewhere else in some doo-doo. We have this pink, which I'm lucky to get the pink, but we have a bath bomb. We have the T-zone helper outer to calm down oily T-zones. We have the mascara, the sheet mask, and then the heating eye mask. I think this was a really good box. So you guys comment down below, let me know what did you think of March's box. Again, I still wanted to show you because it's still a variation no matter what, and I really like their boxes. I think they're super cute. And yeah, so thank you so much NoMakeNoLife for sending me your box. I'm so glad that it finally made it safe and sound. The box looks perfect. I mean, it must have just sat somewhere for months because it's a perfect shaped box, no damage, nothing. So I'm really glad that I finally got it to show you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching this. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the box. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know the drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.